What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back, ready for another video, ready to get some pretty dope footage today. Beautiful day. Today is a Sunday. By the time this video goes up, don't know what day it will be, but for sure this week will be coming up. So yeah, today's Sunday, guys. Today we're going on another little cruise. Everybody's pretty bored. All the car heads are bored, so they set up a little thing on Instagram saying that we're gonna go have a meet and go drive around the old river. So that's what we're gonna do. And I hope the 5.0 is actually over there right now, but I'll get it out right now. But I hope this video is somewhat interesting. I hope you guys like it. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, join the fam. And yeah, let's get on with the video. All right, you guys, but first, we're gonna get a little cold start on the 5.0. Let's get it. Started, and I'll pick you guys up when we get there. Let's get it. Damn. Boy with the new wheels. Okay. Boy with the new wheels. All right, you guys. Looks like we made it. Everyone's a little lost right now, so everybody's pulling up a little late. Got the Marrow. Got the boys Marrow. Okay, over here flexing. Sheesh. Got some more cars over there. Got a few over here. Got the boy Z right here. We were lost. These tires look so damn good, bro. These look so damn sick.
My old ones, and then I got these. So.
Bro, this makes your car look so much better.
Know, right?
Like tires make a huge difference, bro. Look at this. Damn. These are sick, bro.
And I just need to run bigger spacers in the rear just so they can do more like flush fitment.
And then when you get low too, damn, that's just gonna be nice.
I'm chilling right now.
Baby Zilla, this is guys, this is a baby Godzilla right here. Come on now.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's nice. I like it.
I like it, bro. We got the lineup right now.
Red and black.
Yeah, we are.
So fucking clear, so I had to get this shit. I have to get the spacers. I got 15 mil spacers right now.
Damn.
But it wouldn't fucking clear.
This looks so nice. Did you get bigger tires too?
Yeah, 19.
Yeah, I was about to say, damn, bro. Okay. Damn. This looks so sick, bro. Like your whole view from right here, it looks hella nice.
I like the view from the rear.
It looks hella nice.
I'm gonna get 25 mil, so it sticks out more.
Yeah.
So it sticks out more right here.
Yeah. I need to get some I need to get some spacers for that, bro, because it's like a little too tucked in. I'm gonna get some spacers and then I'm gonna lower it. Get some springs, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I want to lower it a little more.
Like you see the rear, how like it kind of like sticks out a little bit better now. But it does make it stick out more. But look at the front. Look at the front wheel. You see how it's like flush fitment.
Yeah, the front is perfect.
If you look at this side, it's got more cambered.
Oh damn, yeah.
So I'm gonna get an alignment just to fix that shit.
Oh, that's gonna look sick. Big, but we ready, huh? We ready for the little cruise? See how it goes?
I'm good.
Yeah. I mean, we weren't doing anything too. I mean,
I know.
All of us, bro, we were just at the house and we just texted each other. So
yeah, I was just at home and then he texted me, he's like, you going to this thing? I'm like, probably not, because like I'm not trying to waste gas right now.
Dude, I was gonna text you. I was gonna text you too. I was gonna be like, bro, like I don't know, there's gonna be a me or like just a little drive you want to slide, but then I was like, he's probably gonna be like, it's hella far or something. That's not
it is kind of far. That's why I'm not going all the way. I'm probably gonna. I'm only here for this little pop-up meet and then drive halfway, probably run this G, whatever this guy is.
Yeah.
And then
okay, my boy's gonna go to Mexico today too. Okay.
But like, yeah, that's it.
It's pretty cool. It's a cool spot though too.
It is a good spot.
It's a good spot.
It was hella fucking hard to find.
Yeah, it was hard to find though.
I was hella fucking blinded.
Yeah.
Dude. I was like, bro,
damn. Got the squad right here. Don't know who that guy is, but hey, taking some pictures right now. This is a pretty dope spot, guys, but we're just waiting on a few more people and then we should be ready to go. So the spot was like in a weird place, so got a few more people over there. We should be ready. So all right, boys. guys, looks like everybody's dipping right now. Let the crew start. Let's go see what's up. Yes, sir. Okay. Just get it with the cruise. Woo! Let's get it, boys. Let's see how this little drive is. Got everybody all the way over there. Hey. Guys, honestly, this is so lit. I love coming on these sort of like just drives and like rallies. If only you guys can be here, taking this whole river road, banging through the gears, all of us together. It's literally like there's no better feeling than that, guys. I hope this vlog comes out pretty dope. And yeah, you guys are finding it somewhat interesting. And let's get it. All right, you guys, we stopped for a little bit. I don't know, I think they're talking, maybe going somewhere. Let's get out real quick. Yo. Okay. I know, dude.
But I feel hella out of place because everyone here are V8.
You're good, you're good. What's up, bro?
I guess I should hella hard and get it off first.
That's like a funny. This dude.
My clutch like feel the same.
Dope. Guys, I think the... Is that a twin turbo I see under the hood?
Yeah,
Twin turbo, and I saw that bottle in the bag, bro.
One day, dude.
Dude, I saw the bottle in the bag. You don't think I... Since the day we raced, bro, I know you've been having that bottle in the bag, bro. Don't lie to me.
But it's good. Like, one day I'll turbo it, but right now I'm trying to go full build. I am full build trying to see my fucking dream. Twin turbo, dude, twin turbos and these HRs like a baby.
Damn. Yeah, guys, I think the little meetup right now might be done. But it was fun. Cruising, huh? We were cruising, bro? Cruising, chilling. Got all the muscle over here. Got a little bit of imports over there. Mustang in the back. It was cool though. Thank you. All right, you guys. So, I guess everyone's going home now. It's over, and I'll pick you guys up right now in the outro. So, see you in a little bit. Guys, so I came back because my boy's car is not turning on. Like, it's turning on, but it's not letting him go into gear, and we honestly don't know. Well, I was already like all the way over there, and I had to come back just to see if this dude's doing all right. But I don't know, we just try to turn it on right now. We let it rest for a little bit, but it's not turning on. It's not good, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Guys, I'm telling him that it's because he keeps buying like salvage cars that have been and crashes like 16 times. You're not supposed to buy cars like that, bro. He just loves buying cars that are just really bad, and then, you know, but we're gonna see what we could do. If it turns on, we're gonna have to call a tow truck or something. We don't know. We got the 5.0 right there, cooling down a little bit. Yeah, everybody dipped, so we'll see right now. You guys, picking up from the video, had to come do my outro, so we came to this little spot. We're basically home, and yeah, so my boy, the one that messed up his car right now, actually is getting a tow truck. One of his buddies actually has a tow truck, so he should be fine. Should be home safe too. And I don't know, his clutch was acting up. for some reason. Hopefully it's not nothing too bad, but yeah, today was just a fun day, just driving around with friends and other Mustangs. We all just met up, and I mean, there's nothing much to do right now, you know. And the reason why I really like this whole car scene and everything is because like everybody just loves the same thing. We all love cars, we all love to go drive, and just knowing that we don't have to be all like close up on each other and being all like that, and we can still go have a fun time in our cars and drive around. I think it's super dope. So I'm like so happy like that I really like love cars and stuff like that. But yeah, today was just a fun day, guys. I hope you guys found this video interesting, fun in any way. And if you guys are still tuning in, make sure to leave a fat like, comment anything you guys want to see, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.